Ever wondered why some men can make a woman utterly captivated while others barely get a second glance? In this video, I'm going to reveal the secret psychological triggers that can make her completely obsessed with you. Stay tuned to discover how to spark her interest, keep her thinking about you, and build an irresistible connection that she just can't shake off. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing relationship advice. Let's get started. Number 1. Ignite her curiosity. To make a woman genuinely obsessed with you, the first step is to ignite her curiosity. Women are naturally drawn to mystery and the unknown, so instead of revealing everything about yourself, hold back a little. Share intriguing stories about your life but leave some details out, prompting her to ask more questions. This keeps her mind occupied, wondering about you and wanting to know more. Additionally, be unpredictable in a positive way. Surprise her with small, thoughtful gestures that show you're attentive and considerate without being overly available. Make her feel special, but not in a way that seems rehearsed or insincere. Show genuine interest in her passions. Ask open-ended questions, and truly listen to her responses. This creates a deeper emotional connection, making her feel valued and understood. At the same time, focus on being a man of purpose. A man with a clear sense of direction and passion is incredibly attractive. When she sees that you're ambitious, driven, and constantly working on self-improvement, she'll be drawn to your energy and motivated to stay in your life. This combination of mystery, unpredictability, and purpose creates a magnetic pull that keeps her intrigued, constantly thinking about you, and eager to learn more. However, don't confuse mystery with playing games or being deceptive. Authenticity is key. Let her see glimpses of your real self without laying it all out too soon. Compliment her in unexpected ways that show you notice the little things about her, like the way she laughs, or how she lights up when talking about something she loves. Pay attention to the nuances that most people overlook, and reflect them back to her in a way that shows you genuinely care. Furthermore, create shared experiences that leave a lasting impression. Take her to places she's never been, introduce her to new activities, or surprise her with spontaneous plans. These moments become anchors in her memory, linking her positive emotions to you. Also, maintain a sense of independence. Don't be overly available or too eager to please. Let her miss you sometimes. It builds anticipation and intensifies her desire to be around you. Show her that while you care about her, you also have a life filled with passions, interests, and goals. A man who is centered and focused on his own path is irresistible. Lastly, maintain an air of confidence that comes from knowing who you are and what you want. Confidence is not about arrogance or dominance, it's about being secure in yourself, expressing your desires without hesitation, and handling rejection or setbacks with grace. When a woman senses that you're grounded in yourself and your purpose, she'll find it nearly impossible to get you off her mind. This balance of mystery, unpredictability, emotional connection, and self-assuredness creates a captivating dynamic that can make her genuinely obsessed with you. Number 2. Master emotional connection. Building an emotional connection is a powerful way to make her obsessed with you. Women often become deeply attached when they feel emotionally understood and appreciated. To foster this connection, practice active listening whenever she speaks. Don't just hear her words, pay attention to her tone, body language, and underlying emotions. Validate her feelings by acknowledging them with empathy, such as saying, "I can see why that made you feel that way," or "that must have been really difficult for you." This makes her feel seen and valued, creating a sense of emotional security that draws her closer. Additionally, share your own vulnerabilities in a balanced way. Opening up about your fears, dreams, and personal experiences allows her to feel closer to you, creating a sense of trust and intimacy. However, avoid oversharing too soon, as this can come across as desperate or needy. Instead, let the connection develop naturally over time, allowing her to feel like she's gradually uncovering the deeper layers of who you are. Compliment her on things that go beyond her appearance, such as her intelligence, sense of humor, or kindness. This shows that you're paying attention to who she truly is, not just how she looks, making her feel genuinely appreciated. Furthermore, engage in meaningful conversations that stimulate her mind and soul. Ask her about her childhood dreams, her passions, her fears, and her life goals. Listen attentively, ask follow-up questions, and share your own perspectives to deepen the connection. This type of emotional intimacy makes her feel seen and heard in ways she may not have experienced before. Additionally, create shared experiences that evoke strong emotions, such as trying new activities together, going on spontaneous adventures, or having deep, late-night conversations. These moments become powerful anchors that keep her thinking about you, even when you're not around, strengthening her emotional attachment to you. Also, be her safe haven. Be the person she can confide in without fear of judgment. Encourage her to open up about her insecurities and fears. And reassure her with your unwavering support. This level of emotional safety fosters a bond that is difficult to break. Lastly, maintain an element of mystery. While you're opening up, don't reveal everything at once. Let her discover new aspects of your personality gradually. This keeps her intrigued, wanting to know more, and keeps you on her mind. When she associates you with deep, meaningful conversations, emotional safety, and unforgettable shared experiences, she'll find herself thinking about you constantly, feeling a deeper connection that she craves to explore further. Number 3, maintain your independence. While it's important to create emotional intimacy, it's equally vital to maintain your independence. One of the biggest mistakes men make when trying to make a woman obsessed with them is becoming too available or too clingy. Women are naturally attracted to men who are confident, self-assured, and comfortable in their own skin. Show her that you have a fulfilling life outside of the relationship by pursuing your hobbies, hanging out with friends, and dedicating time to your personal goals. This not only makes you more intriguing, but also prevents you from appearing needy or dependent on her attention. When you're passionate about your life and pursuing your own interests, she'll feel the desire to be part of that world because she's drawn to your self-sufficiency and passion. Additionally, maintain a sense of mystery by not always being readily available. Occasionally, take longer to respond to her texts, or suggest hanging out another day instead of immediately saying yes. This subtly signals that while you're interested in her, you're also prioritizing yourself and your own commitments. However, it's crucial to strike a balance. Ignoring her completely will push her away, but being slightly elusive keeps her wondering and wanting more. This subtle unpredictability creates a sense of anticipation, making her eager to spend time with you. Also, don't overshare everything about your life right away. Let her discover new layers of your personality over time. This keeps her invested, as she'll always feel like there's more to uncover. At the same time, show her that your life is rich and full even without her presence. Plan outings with friends, work on personal projects, or indulge in hobbies you're passionate about. When she sees you thriving independently, it reinforces the idea that you're not someone who needs her validation to feel complete. This makes you even more attractive, as she'll want to be part of that exciting world you're creating. Lastly, when you're together, be fully present. Show genuine affection, listen attentively, and make her feel valued. This combination of warmth when you're together and independence when you're apart creates a magnetic pull that keeps her intrigued and invested in you. Maintaining your independence doesn't mean being cold or distant. It means being secure in who you are, valuing your personal time, and showing her that while you care deeply for her, you're also committed to your own growth and happiness. This dynamic keeps her on her toes, always wanting more and feeling that she's with a man who is both captivating and self-assured. Conclusion: to truly make her obsessed with you, it's all about balance. Ignite her curiosity, create a deep emotional connection, and maintain your independence. By doing so, you'll not only capture her heart, but also keep her coming back for more. Remember, the key to lasting attraction lies in understanding her needs and staying true to your own. Keep these strategies in mind, and you'll create a powerful, irresistible bond that lasts. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more relationship advice. Drop a comment below sharing your thoughts or any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.